what do you think of this number? Has the train left the station?
Oh, look, good is good. Jay Powell so far is doing a great thing. A lot of the numbers have come down. Energy's come down. The price of the pumps come down. Travel's come down. Used cars come down. I mean, what more do we need? I listened to some people on the panel, and they make it sound like that the number was actually a bad number. We obviously had peak inflation. I think that oil's actually gone lower since. The travel numbers have gotten worse. The auto numbers have gotten worse. There's a glut pretty much everywhere in the system, which is causing price cuts like we had Micron. So I don't know. I mean, this is probably my fourth attempt by the Fed to get things under control. This may be the best one. And I think Jay Powell's doing a really good job.
And what do you think, though, Jay Powell sees this number and does what next month?
Oh, he still raises because he wants to be sure he wins. He does 50, not 75. I think he is a little worried Congress keeps spending.
You think it's 50. You don't think it's 75. If he does 75,
what happens?
No, he doesn't
need to do. Well, then people think that he knows something that we don't, and things must be much worse. And I don't think he does. There's no reason to do 75. These were gigantic rate hikes. And I think that, you know, I love Larry. I mean, he helped me at Harvard. Great. Okay. Can we move on from him? I think that what matters here is that these are the numbers that Jay Powell wanted. Jay Powell's widely ridiculed by people in the media and by fund managers, and I just find it just repulsive. He's a great public servant.
But Jim, how much of this is a function of we're actually starting to have the markets work in the context of supply? That's what's bringing down some of the inflation.
We haven't seen anything yet.
But that we may get to a place
in terms of decline. It's going to get much worse.
And the question, though, then the question is, does it flatten out?
No. I mean, remember, housing is 10% of the economy. It punches above its weight. It's about to really roll over. Used cars are about to really roll over. Tell that to Hertz. Everything that goes into a house is going to roll over. The big box retailers are going to roll over. What do people want? I mean, there isn't anything right now that's strong. Don't they read the research? I mean, there are no companies doing better than we thought. None. Name me one company where you actually raise numbers. Certainly nothing that's on the board that you're showing right now. So, I mean, I just wish people were a little more granular. If they were more granular, they would know that there's no company that's really doing well right now.